Assalamu alaikum and namaskar to the viewers of Islam Guru YouTube channel. I'm here to talk about the rape culture of our country. Rape cannot be treated as a crime in isolation. It is in our everyday thoughts, actions and our attitude towards the society which contribute to this culture. We need to talk on this. We cannot stop this conversation over here. According to a report of Thomson Reuters, it says that India is the world's dangerous country for women. It has ranked 192 countries in which we stood first in the rank number 1 in sexual violence, rank number 1 in human trafficking, rank number 1 in crimes based on culture and religion, rank number 3 on discrimination, rank number 4 on domestic violence, and rank number 1 in killing of female feticide. It is the report of 2018. Back in time, in 2011, we was ranked number 4. See how much we have progressed. We need to talk on this. The common answers, the common reasons of how this crimes is such as, it is because of the dress or the attire what a woman put on herself, or it is because of lust, sexual thirst. But what Islam Guru gives the reason is, it is because the backwardness in 3 sectors: education, empowerment and enforcement. Education is the main key role which plays over here. A child must be taught in school, college, in home first, from his mother's womb. She or he has to be taught that there is an observer. Whatever he does with a female, whatever he does, he is observing. Whatever he spell out the world, he's listening because he is the listener. Whatever he do, he's going to be the witness for it. Even in isolation or even in hostage, if he does anything, he's going to be the witness. Or if he even does not do anything and just have a bad intention and a bad thought, remember, he, the Brahma, the supreme power, yours and mine creator, is a listener, witness, mind reader, observer. And when I take Brahma, it is not different. Brahma, Allah, Ishwar, creator is the same. As it says in our scriptures, Quran, Bhagavad Gita, Bible, from whatever with the name you call, he's going to listen. The Brahma, Allah, Ishwar, creator, he is observer, mind reader, heart reader, listener and witness. So before you do anything, remember, he is going to be the witness. Remember, he is reading your mind and your heart. Empowerment includes the action of raising a woman through education, literacy and equipments. Enforcement of a strict law. Enforcement is all about rehabilitating and deterring. It is a need of enforcement of a strict law to punish the accused immediately for violating the rules and norms. It's a special request to the parents out there who is listening to me to educate your child morally. Materialistic education is very easy. Anybody can get it and have success, but that is not going to lead you to the right path. To get real success and to achieve the real path, you need to educate yourself morally. If we educate ourselves morally and implement these values in our lives, these 4 things: observer, listener, witness and mind reader, and whatever we do, okay, if I'm doing this, he's going to observe me. I cannot do because it's wrong. Okay, if I'm spelling this out, he's listening. I cannot spell this out because this is bad. I cannot think like this because he's reading my mind. I cannot do this because he's going to witness. So always remember these 4 qualities of Brahma, Allah, Creator, Ishwar, Observer, Listener, Witness and Mind Reader. So at the end, I request all the parents out there to educate your child morally. Teach them that the Brahma, Creator, Allah, Ishwar is listener, mind reader, heart reader, and he is observing. And second is empowerment. Empower your female child, empower your daughter, and enforcement of a strict law. The accused have to be immediately punished for violating the rules and the norms. At the end, please subscribe to Islam Guru YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to be notified for every update. Jai Hind.